You want me to ignore the Constitution? I shall not do that. When I said, yesterday, when I said that we should have respect for national institutions, I do not mean that you cannot criticize me. You can criticize me. I am criticizing myself. You can criticize me, but don't try to lower the dignity of the national institutions. Please, for God's sake, I am requesting you. What is the problem? Problem always arises when there is a clash to seek more powers. I am saying I don't want to have this power. Please, you exercise this power. There is a question of clash. Problem is, unfortunately, that people, I should not talk about the problem. I can give advice that anybody and everybody who participate in these debates, they should become themselves familiar with the law, the Constitution and the rules. Why is it necessary for me to discuss national institutions? Something definitely has happened. I am saying something definitely has happened which has made me to take the decision that I don't want to continue as Chancellor. So something has happened. But I won't discuss that. Why I will not discuss it? Because it involves national institutions. You tell me, if you decide to, you are in media, visual media or print media? Visual media. You do something in the day and then you go home and your conscience pricks you and you decide, no, I am not going to continue my job. Then something serious has happened. But propriety, constitutional propriety must be respected. And that is the reason I do not want to discuss those very, very serious issues. Always remember, conflict, when the conflict comes, when there is a tussle for more power. Here I am not asking for power. I am saying it has become difficult for me to work as Chancellor. Please make some alternative arrangement. Where you are writing, newspapers are writing, there is tug of war, there is conflict. No, there is no conflict. I don't want to have any conflict. I have too many things. You know, most of the time I am traveling all over the country. I don't have time to waste on these things. If we don't want to meet, if we don't want to have respect for our national institutions, good. I don't want to get into this. Yes, you were asking.
Sir,